Hello everyone, may the peace of God Almighty be upon each and every one of us. Today I'm going to be preparing white rice with fried plantain. And all the ingredients I'm going to be using here today, I will list them in the description box. And also, I want to use this time to thank everyone that has been watching my videos. May God Almighty continue to guide and protect you all. Here I have soft chicken, and I have taken off some of the skin and washed it with lemon. The chicken, I will season it for 2 to 3 hours and put it in the fridge before I will fry it. First, I will take off the shell from the plantain and slice it, then start frying it. While the plantain is on the gas frying, next thing I'm going to do is bring out my rice, wash it. After washing it, I will add salt to it and olive oil and put it on the gas. And next, I will check on my plantain. My plantain is already fried. Then I will take it out and put it aside. Then I will start frying the chicken. While the chicken is frying, I will start preparing the sauce. So here is olive oil on the gas. I will add onions to it. So after a minute, I will take off the onions from the pan. So after taking off all the onions, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add the sliced garlic. I will let the garlic fry for like a minute. So after a minute, the next thing I'm going to add to it is the sliced tomatoes. After adding the sliced tomatoes, I will let it cook for a minute. Then I will add the orange pepper, the red pepper, the hot pepper, the green pepper, the shredded ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and also I will add fish broth. Add the onions and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the sauce is ready. Next, I will check on my chicken. The chicken is ready. I'm not going to fry it too much. So the first one I fried was the same, not too fried. So I will put it aside. And next, I will check on my rice. The rice is ready. I add peas to it, green beans. So I will just stir it together. So after stirring it, it's ready. And here is it. All my food is ready. The rice is ready. The plantain, the chicken, everything is ready. My plantain was half ripe. And also my vegetable is not too cooked. And my chicken is not too fried. Thank you all for watching, and may God Almighty continue to guide and protect every one of us. Our going out shall be blessed, and our coming in shall be blessed. And please don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And also share the video for others to watch it. And have a peaceful day. Bye.